सोडा देख्न हालिराख्नु है
Well, today Government Senior Secondary School Namrin, in coordination with Science and Maths Club, we are organizing an exhibition where children are showcasing everything that they've made. And the name of the exhibition we've kept is Enchantopedia. The theme is Light Up the Lamp and Let There Be Smiles.
Okay, and the main objective of doing this exhibition is to encourage scientific temperament, okay, and develop curiosity among the students, and it will also give a platform to the student to showcase their innovations, and also it will develop different skills like model making skills, communication skills, and it will also develop teamwork, okay, and yes.
Well, in the present learning system, we say like it's all about learning by doing. So basically, this is what they are doing, learning by doing, which enhances their psychomotor skill also. And then mainly they learn to work in group, coordinate, and maybe in future they would be able to present more beautifully, more creatively from what they are. This is their first experience, so we hope they would be able to do it much better in future.
And so here you can see the fitness corner as well, where the students are measuring blood pressure, they are calculating BMI, they are calculating oxygen level as well. So it will in one way, so they will promote them or encourage them to be a doctor or in future. Okay, thank you.
160 okay. Convert it into 1 158 5.3 okay. Convert here. Convert. BMI पनि जान्छ. सुन्नु त अब आइहाल्छ गर खोइ पाउँदै छैन गुड कन्सेप्ट यो इफ इट होल्ड्स हामीलाई त वाइफाई किन छैन त यहाँनिर यसो गर्दा भइहाल्यो हैन Whatever you have understood, you tell me. Tell us in Nepali. What is the concept behind you making this model?
The walking model.
Environment friendly. Acid this is vinegar, is acid? Yes. Then?
Okay.
हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ अम्बिका खातिबडा म्याम स्कुलको शिक्षिका. सो उहाँलाई म यो होल एक्जिबिसनको कस्तो एक्सपिरियन्स रह्यो, कस्तो लाग्यो मलाई यो एक्जिबिसन, त्यसको बारेमा अलिकति छोटकारीमा भनिदिनुहोस् भन्ने आग्रह गर्छु.
हजुर म्याम, मैले सबै नानीहरूले यो एक्जिबिसन गराएको छु जग्गा-जग्गामा है. एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो. नानीहरूले नयाँ कुरा सिक्यो, नयाँ कुरा आफूले बनाउन सिक्यो. प्र्याक्टिकली सिक्यो साइन्सको भल्केनिक विषयमा भयो केमिस्ट्रीको भयो है लाइट यता इको फ्रेन्डली लाइट कसरी बनाउने इको फ्रेन्डली हामीले योहरू गाडीहरू कसरी चलाउने है अन्त धेरै कुराहरू धेरै कला चाहिँ कतिवटा त मैले एक्सप्लेनै गर्न सकिनँ होइन मलाई याद छ है यी कुराहरू बनाएको मलाई एकदमै खुसी लाग्यो यो कुराहरू आज फर्स्ट टाइम हाम्रो स्कुलको ग्राउन्डमा यो एक्जिबिसन भएको र यो अपर्च्युनिटी नानीहरूले पाउँदा चाहिँ उनीहरूले प्र्याक्टिकल्ली उनीहरूले जे सिक्दैछन् त्यो कुराहरू प्र्याक्टिकल्ली उनीहरूले नलेज चाहिँ उनीहरूकोमा लेखेर पढेर मात्रै होइन त्यो प्र्याक्टिकल्ली उनीहरूले युज गरेर पनि जान्दैछन् र उनीहरूलाई क्रिएटिभिटी आउँछ उनीहरूले घरमा अरू नयाँ कुराहरू सोच राख्छन् त्यहीपट्टि जान्छन् केही नयाँहरू सिक्छन् के पुरानो चिज भत्किएको छ बिग्रिएको छ भने त्यसलाई फेरि रियुटिलाइजेसन रियुजमा ल्याउँछन् र हामीले गर्दा कति हुन्छ वेस्टहरूलाई पनि फेरि रिम्यानेजमेन्ट हुन्छ हाम्रो सोसाइटीमा यी कुराहरूले यो एक्जिबिसनले चाहिँ नानीहरूले अरू धेरै थप जानकारी पाउँछन् अनि उनीहरूले
What is the application of this?
It's a fire alarm. If we catch a fire, then everyone will know about it due to this project.
Can we use in our home also? Okay. यो जुन चाहिँ रियोस्टर भन्ने यो के हो
Thermostat.
थर्मोस्टर सरले आइडिया छ त्यो थर्मोस्टर चाहिँ कहाँ लाउनु पर्यो भने यो चाहिँ लिङ्क कहाँ गर्नु पर्यो घरमा कहीँ पनि
त्यो सिमरिक
Also, Jan project drone. This is means drone, and also known as tricorder because of 3D protocol. This यो पनि अहिले यो पनि वर्किङमै चल्दैछ हुनसक्छ तर मेरो चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ प्रब्लम चाहिँ अहिले प्रोपेलरमा छ अहिले वर्किङ भएको छैन बट आफ्टर
हाम्रो अटल टिङ्करिङ ल्याबको कस्तो जोड छ है यस्तो कुराहरू यो आर फ्रम रियल साइन्स
यो चाहिँ सोलर ट्रेनिङ सिस्टम हो हामीले चाहिँ अब यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले यसलाई प्रोग्राम गरेर नि युजिङ आर्डिनो हामीले यसलाई चाहिँ यसको एप्लिकेसन चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले सोलर इनर्जीलाई चाहिँ इलेक्ट्रिक इनर्जीलाई कन्भर्ट गरेर हामीले स्कुलतिर नै यसलाई युज गर्न सकिन्छ अनि त्यसको चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ यो पनि एउटा अनगोइङ प्रोजेक्टै हो यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले आफ्नो दिवाली चाहिँ कम्प्लिट गर्छौँ
होइन यसको के छ मेन पर्पस
त्यो रोटेटहरू गरेर देख्नु तिम्रो यो जब जता बनाउँछ त्यसकोबाट यो रोटेट गरेर जान्छ त्यसरी यस्तो यो भयो
सन कम्स
त्यसरी रोटेट गरेर जान्छ
टुवर्ड्स द डाइरेक्सन अफ दिस
डाइरेक्सन त्यसले अब्जर्भ गर्छ
अनि त्यो
अब्जर्भ गर्छ त्यसले त्यहाँदेखि काम गर्छ ओके लाइट हुनु पर्यो
सोलर प्यानल काम गर्छ
Power comes from here, the current flows, and this is actually a primary coil, and this is the secondary coil. And if you bring the secondary coil here, this can be used in devices.
क्लास 12 को तपाईँको सब्जेक्टमै छ थियो लेन्स फ्याराडे लजहरू चेन्ज इन म्याग्नेटिक गर्दाखेरि तपाईँको एनर्जी करेन्ट त्यो चाहिँ एक्सपेरिमेन्ट
up to class 8
के हुन्छ नि हुन्छ कि
we may go for
त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ एक्सपेरिमेन्टली चेक गरेर देखिन्छ
And these red colored balls called electrons, which have negatively charge, and these yellow colored balls called protons, which have a positively charge, and these blue colored balls called neutrons, which have no charge. Lithium is a chemical element with symbol Li and atomic number 3.
What is the mass number of lithium? 16.
So, okay, so we have come to an end of this event. Now with us we have our principal ma'am, Dr. J.M. Chetri. So I would like to give some feedback, valuable feedback and suggestion to all our participants. Ma'am.
Very good afternoon to everyone. I'm really very pleased to have this kind of program. It is
rotate the tank and mechanical work will be done in this battery. After that, in this motor, after that, there's mechanical energy will be converted into electrical energy, due to which the bulb will be doing some windmill. Concept of windmill. Windmill. Concept. Power.
This is a model of a projector. In this, when the light passes from the torch to the magnifying glass to the transparent sheet, the latter in the transparent sheet which absorbs the light and is shown in the wall. It especially works only in the dark room because the sound light is practical.
Where can we apply this model? यो मोडल कहाँ चलाउन सक्छ तिमीले?
In the classrooms or in the projector sheet. It is a convex lens which can diverge it. The later in the transparent sheet is diverged when the convex lens is magnified. It's mainly we can see in dark room.
Okay, hello everyone. So now we have one of the judges for today's event or today's exhibit competition. Okay, so we have like Dr. Umesh Dhakal sir. So I would like to ask like a few feedback and citation to the participants. So please.
This science fair exhibition that has been conducted by Science and Maths Club of Naming Senior Secondary School is one of the finest platforms in order to nurture and develop scientific temperament amongst the young budding minds, which leads to holistic development and necessary scientific skills incorporating the artificial intelligence, which is an hour of need in the modern digital age. This platform showcases the student interest in science and technology and also makes them aware of the fact that how the modern world is governed by the application of science, interdisciplinary. It is to be understood that all the disciplines of science, including the other subjects, are interrelated in the form of econophysics, biophysics, digital science, etc., which is required to be the knowledge of every human across the globe, which is leading towards scientifically aware society overall. This type of platform has to be conducted and inducted in the calendar form of each and every school.
Thank you, sir. So, like, probably you, whatever exhibit we had, so how you going to be like all overall?
And it was a very good approach from all the staffs of Naming Senior Secondary School. It was very good.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay, thank you.
Well, we've already had the exhibition, and then now in the second half we are going to have a ramp walk for the children. And they've come in the traditional attire, which itself becomes very exciting as they head towards their Diwali vacation. We teachers, we are mainly, we work as a facilitator. And what we are doing here basically is we're just facilitating them, and it is the children who are doing everything by themselves. And thus they are exploring, learning new things, experimenting. And when we held this ramp walk with the view that they would get to know that there's a career option in modeling, they can opt for that. So it's like basically trying to teach them that there are various ways where they can explore their profession, they can find out the talents that are hidden within them. It's just a small initiative from our side as a facilitator to help our children grow, and then they have a brighter future. Thank you.
Audience, please. Contestant number 4, Bush. Let's hear it for them. Something different that we got to witness in this round now. I now announce the result, and we would move on from third. Well, the third position has been secured by exhibit number 7.
Congratulations. What was your order?
And the winner is, any guesses? Yes, seeing it from the back, exhibit 10, they are the winners. Let's hear it for exhibit 10.
Yes, yes, come this side.
Alright, now we move on with the results of the ramp walk. Again, we come from the third position. In the third position, we have Sudiksha and Purba. In the second position, we have the cutest member, Suhangna. Let's hear it for Suhangna. Any guesses for the first position? Yes, Sarda and Ayush. Let's hear it for them. Congratulations to all the winners as well as all the participants.